Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all. Last part of the poem Tansen 4.5, page number 107, 107, 107. Here we finished off. Now, firstly it was Tansen sang the song of Deepak, burned himself up. Then Malar Rag, a lady came, maiden came, made body of Tansen as normal. Then finally, King Akbar keeps on requesting, keeps on pleading, keeps on desiring to meet the Guru, the Ustad, the teacher of Tansen. Finally, they decide to move on and they walk. King Akbar, as a pauper, as a poor man, walks right up to Himalaya, where the Guru, where the teacher, where the Ustad of Tansen is. Whereas Tansen, in his normal dress, riding on the horse, is following King Akbar all the way. And finally they reach the Guru, the Ustad, and they start pleading in front of him, sitting at his feet for one song to be sung, to be heard by King Akbar. Even though the teacher, the Ustad, the Guru does not sing for earthly people, does not sing for the mankind, does not sing for common man. Yet, King Akbar pleading, King Akbar supplication, King Akbar desiring to the utmost, King Akbar's humility finally made the Guru, made Ustad, made the teacher of Tansen melt with humbleness, and he does sing a song. Let's see which rag does the Guru, the teacher, the Ustad of Tansen recites. Then Ustad, won by the humility, humbleness, pleadingness, pardoning, begging, sang song of peace and high felicity. Peace, calmness, coolness, pacification, satisfaction, happiness, cheerfulness, merriment. Felicity, intense happiness, great happiness, where nothing can make anyone feel sad, sorrowful, no depressions, no tensions at all out there. Here, King Akbar starts listening, and the song or the rag sung by the Guru, by Ustad, is the Malkas Rag. The Malkas Rag, all aesthetic rang. Aesthetic, the world starts ringing, the world starts chiming, the world starts jingling with the sound of the Guru, the Ustad, the teacher starts singing. With enthusiasm, with delight, with merriment, with calmness, with peacefulness, with melodiousness, with simplicity. Till birds and beasts, that means all the birds, all the animals, let it be wild, let it be domesticated, let it be beast, any form of it, wild animals, beast, wild animals, birds of various culture, various traits, same way, all animals, they all came to hear the Ustad sing. The Malkas Rag was so attractive, so adorning, so enchanting, so applauding, so appraising, that apart from human beings, all the worldly affairs, all the birds, all the beasts, all the wild animals, every living creature on earth came to listen to the Ustads, the Gurus, the teachers' song of Tansen. Gathered to hear over Akbar's dreaming soul. Akbar is totally in an enchanting manner, is in such a spell, magical spell out there, where he moves into a trance. You can call it a trance. Have I given you the meaning of trance out here? Probably I gave it to you in my previous lecture, I'll just write it again. Trance is that word which gives you the magical spell of such enchantment. Trance. Magical spell. Obviously, when something is so sweet, so melodious, so attracting, so loving, so godly, then it is but obvious that you start going into a trance, into a spell of magic. You don't know actually where you are. You are just abode into the heavenly, into the celestial bodies, where you start imagining that you are there and you're enjoying everything. That means there's no sadness, there's no sorrowfulness at all. It's all creation of God with pure happiness. Heavenly rapture, delightfulness, happiness, merrifulness, lovingness, caringness, all that. But as he turned to speak his words of praise, as Akbar had the very good habit, after anyone sang any form of rag, he would immediately give his reaction in the form of praising the person, applauding the person, giving of gifts, giving of gems, giving of precious stones to the common man. Same thing as Akbar, the song was completed. As Akbar immediately wanted to say something, what happened? But as he turned to speak, his words of praise, applauding, enchanting, with harmony, with love, what happened? Ustad vanished. Ustad disappeared from his wonderful, wondering sight. Obviously, Akbar was at his feet, looking at the Ustad, at the Guru, at the teacher, and he went into rapture, into enthusiasm, into attraction, into happiness, into merriment. And when his soul came back to normalcy, as he opened his eyes, he was totally astonished because Ustad was not there, because Ustad had vanished, because Ustad had disappeared. And Akbar could not give any praising words, could give any precious stones or give any valuable gifts to the Ustad, to the Guru, the teacher of Tansen. Tell me, Tansen, what theme this is that holds. Now Akbar is talking to Tansen and asking Tansen, what is this theme, what is this composition, what is this musical work that you are so enfolded, you are so much into a trance, you are getting into a magical spell. The soul enchanted and the heart enfolded means you are totally, completely bound up with such ensuring and pleading and working and strange and vague and happiness, lovingness, caringness, satisfyingness, peacefulness, cool and calm, everything is there. You are so much in a trance, in a magical spell. You are bound up by all the beauties of nature, of the worldly and the after the world affairs. In high delight, happiness. Obviously, Tansen is very happy, is really very, very enchanted by King Akbar literally praising his own Guru, his own Ustad, his own teacher in that manner. And when he knew the name, tell me again, he said, could you do the same? King Akbar is telling, what theme was that? What song was that? What rag was that? Tell me immediately. And if you don't know, you get to know, then get knowledge from other people and think about it. And if you do know about it, come and tell me immediately. And tell me that if you could also do the same. But what was the difference between Tansen and his Ustad? The difference was that Tansen, it is given in the last two lines. No, to thee I sing, meaning I sing to the common man. Thin string to lure my heart to paths untrod, meaning my heart has gone into such type of paths, such type of places which are luring my heart, attracting my heart, adorning my heart, claiming everything, where people have not gone there. Untrod means unused, unwalked on. Untrodden, unused, unwalked, or that particular path has not been traveled by anybody till date. But Tansen gives a simple reply. I sing to thee, meaning I sing to the common man. But my guru, my ustad, my teacher sings to God. My guru, my teacher, my ustad sings to God. That is the difference between Tansen, who sings to the common man, whereas the teacher, the guru, the ustad sings to God. So that makes the difference between a common man and a man who is from divinely world, from the celestial world, in that way. Now one thing, there is a message in this particular poem, and the message is, if a person wants to do something with dedication, devotion, determination, perception, persuasion, performance, persistence, there is no place that a person cannot reach. The highest pinnacle, the highest profile, the highest world or highest work, he or she can become renowned with all these 3 Ds, with all the 4 Ps of life, with one persistence, doing it with loyalty, honesty, eagerness, keenness, willingness, and it is but obvious you will get great success. Now we end with this poem of Tansen. It has taken me 3 lectures. In that way, I thank everybody for your patient listening. If you have any doubts, any queries, please chat with me, please talk to me, please WhatsApp with me, please Telegram with me. I am available 24/7, 365 days a year, round the clock. Please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, comment on the channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, any problem, please ask with an open heart. We Hiraites, Hiraians, teachers are ever ready, as the syllabus is for Maharashtra state student. It is from the SSC board for pattern. So please, all the students of Maharashtra, do appreciate the video. At least one view from your side should be available. Any doubts, any queries, I am available on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Do call me, do chat with me. Wama alaina illal bala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.